Hi everyone, and welcome to Bob's Wood Stuff for another quick tip. This tip is on how to draw a curved line on a piece of wood using a straight edge. This can also be done with a thin piece of wood that is bendable. What I want to do is take my piece of wood and figure out where my corners are going to be. I want it to kind of come in right here and right here. So I'll place a clamp on those spots. This will help guide the straight edge. Then I just need to take my straight edge and place it up against those clamps. And as I put extra force on it, I can get as much bend as I want out of it. And then all I have to do is trace that line and have a very nice curve. I could do a shallower curve, deeper curve. It's really easy and fast. That's all there is to it. It's my favorite way to draw a curve onto a chair leg or a table leg and add a little bit of extra style with the bandsaw and the spoke shave. Hopefully this helps some of you out in your woodworking journeys, and thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.